who's super skeptical of any new products that companies are trying to sell to consumers, Laundry Sanitizer I thought for sure was going to be the one product that I said absolutely not to. In my mind, anytime that I think about sanitizing or disinfecting something, I immediately turn to bleach. However, out of necessity, one time I had to purchase laundry sanitizer, and when I dove deep into the differences between bleach and laundry sanitizer, I was actually extremely shocked, and I want to tell you guys about the differences between bleach, laundry sanitizer, how they're completely different, and how you're going to use it from now on. So just to start out, there are actually two types of bleach. There is chlorine bleach, which is that traditional strong disinfectant that you want to use on your whites. And then the second one is oxygen bleach. Now, this is the color safe alternative, and it is more gentle than what chlorine bleach is, but it's also not as strong for sanitizing as regular chlorine bleach. Now, the way that bleach works is it kills bacteria, viruses, and mold by breaking down the protein. It's something that's really widely available and is super affordable. However, there are a few drawbacks from using bleach. Bleach is something that you actually need to use in hot water. A lot of people don't know, but bleach in cold water is not nearly as effective as it is in hot water. If used improperly, it can damage your fabrics and fade colors. It also has the potential to release harsh fumes and can be a skin irritant. Also, another thing that a lot of people don't realize about using chlorine bleach is that it requires an extra rinse cycle so that it's not leaving residue behind on your clothing, which can further irritate your skin when worn. Now moving on to laundry sanitizer, which for the longest time I honestly just thought was bleach in a prettier bottle marked up. However, laundry sanitizer uses a cleaning component called, I'm gonna need my notes for this one. Laundry sanitizer uses something called quaternary ammonium compounds, or quats, which kills bacteria and viruses without the use of bleach. This is a completely non-bleach formula and does not need hot water in order to be effective. It's completely safe for all colors, for delicate fabrics, and is just a lot more gentle than chlorine bleach. And laundry sanitizer is the one thing that is extremely effective in eliminating odor-causing bacteria. You may ask, okay, well maybe I'll just switch from bleach to laundry sanitizer. But there are also drawbacks to using laundry sanitizer as opposed to bleach. For one, it's not going to brighten your whites or remove stains. So now that we know the differences between bleach and laundry sanitizer, the question is, when do you use the bleach versus when do you use the laundry sanitizer? So one rule of thumb that I use in my own home is if I need to sanitize something to hospital grade perfection, I'll use bleach. Anytime I'm washing our towels, our bedding, anything that's coming into contact with our physical bodies that's white, I'm going to use bleach to sanitize and to disinfect it. I also use it on my tablecloths that are white because of food stains and other things that we may have spilled. That is really the only thing that I have found that really gets rid of stains. Also, anytime anyone has been sick, if there are things like pillowcases, sheets, even clothing that can be bleached, I will go ahead and I will bleach those items because that's what's really going to kill the viruses, mold, any kind of bacteria that's on the sheets. However, because now that I know the differences between bleach and laundry sanitizer, unless I need hospital level sanitization or disinfectant, I'm really going to go towards the laundry sanitizer, again, unless I need something to be whitened or there's a stain. So for things like pet bedding, this has been an absolute game changer. I can't bleach my pet's bedding because it's not white, it's colorful, and also it could be a little bit harsh for the animal. But this laundry sanitizer not only gets all the odors out, it actually kills the bacteria that's causing the odor. Also, gym clothes and towels. This has been a game changer for musty odors in towels. You know when you pick up a towel and it's slightly damp and it has that like mildewy scent to it even though it's clean and it's been washed, laundry sanitizer will get that smell out immediately, and I don't have to use bleach for it. It's safe to use on all of my colored fabrics, delicates. Anytime I really want to get a really deep clean but not use bleach, I'm going towards the laundry sanitizer. And the cool thing is I don't need hot water in order for this to be effective. Unlike bleach, which requires hot water to be really effective, laundry sanitizer, you could totally do it in a cold cycle and it has the same effects. Now, although I started out kind of hating on laundry sanitizer as a whole, this has become a staple in my home. It even has its own place in a glass pump in my laundry room because I use it so frequently. The brand that I was introduced to initially was the Clorox brand, and that's the one that I'm finishing up. But if you have used laundry sanitizer before and you have a brand that you recommend, please be sure to drop it in the comments down below. I would love to try out different laundry sanitizers just to test and see if there are any noticeable differences. Also, if you were someone like me who's like super skeptical about laundry sanitizer sanitizer thinking is the same thing as bleach or just a ploy to get your money out of a consumer? Let me know. I hope this information was helpful in deciding whether you need laundry sanitizer versus bleach. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll be sure to try and answer them for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If this video is helping you become a better home admin in your own home, be sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.